Hello everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we are going to learn how to create a blog on WordPress. WordPress is a fantastic platform to get started, whether you're looking to share your thoughts, showcase your work, or build a community. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a domain name and hosting. A domain is your blog's address, like www.yourblog.com. Hosting is where your blog lives online. 1. Choose a domain name. Think of something catchy and relevant. Use a domain registrar like Truehost. Check availability. 2. Select a hosting provider. I recommend Truehost. Truehost offers a user-friendly setup with one-click WordPress installation, making it ideal for beginners. Their competitive pricing often includes free domain registration, and they guarantee reliable uptime. With 24/7 customer support, optimized server performance for fast loading times, and free SSL certificates for enhanced security, Truehost is a strong choice. They also provide scalable hosting plans, automated backups, and an intuitive control panel for easy site management, making it a robust option for WordPress users. Once you've secured your domain and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one. To create an account with Truehost, visit the website. Go to the Truehost website. Click on the Register button. Provide information. Fill out the required details, including your name, email, and password. Next, choose a plan. Select a hosting plan that fits your needs, shared, VPS, etc. Payment information. Enter your payment details to complete the purchase. Confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation link and follow the instructions. Access dashboard. Log into your account to manage your hosting services. 1. Go to Appearance, Themes, click. Add new to browse thousands of free themes. 2. Preview and install a theme. Find one you like, click Install, then Activate. Tips for choosing a theme. Consider your niche. Look for responsiveness, mobile friendly. Check user reviews. Let's customize your blog. 1. Go to Appearance. Customize here. You can adjust site identity, colors, and menus. 2. Set up your site identity. Add your blog title, tagline, and logo if you have one. 3. Create menus under menus. Create a navigation bar to help visitors find your content easily. Now, let's write your first blog post. 1. Go to Posts. Add new. Enter your title and content in the editor. 2. Add media, include images or videos by clicking Add Media. This makes your post more engaging. 3. Categories and tags. Assign categories and tags to help organize your content. 4. Publish. Once you're happy with your post, hit publish and share it with the world. To enhance your blog's functionality, you'll want to install some essential plugins. 1. Yoast SEO helps optimize your posts for search engines. 2. Akismet Anti-Spam. Keep your comments section free of spam. 3. WordFence. Security protects your site from threats. Now that your blog is live, it's time to promote it. 1. Social media. Share your posts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. 2. Email newsletter. Consider setting up a mailing list to notify subscribers of new posts. 3. Engage with other bloggers. Comment on other blogs and guest posts and build a network. And that's it. You've created your blog on WordPress. Remember, consistency is key, so keep posting and engaging with your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Happy blogging!